Good morning, students. And last class we discussed about the topic is what is the friction and so the type of the frictions and what is the advantages of disadvantage of the friction. So what is the momentum, impulse, law of conservation of linear momentum, and so many examples are discussed in a last class. So now once again repeat the topic. So what is the friction? Okay, so the friction is oppose the force. The friction is oppose the force. The relative motion between the two surfaces are contacted. Two surfaces are contacted. So that is called as a friction. Okay, so the friction is oppose the force. Friction is oppose the force. So friction is oppose the force and the relative motion between the two bodies are in contact. So that is called as a friction. Okay, so now the friction or three types are the classified. So that is called as a limiting friction and kinetic friction, a dynamic friction and a rolling friction. Okay, so the limiting friction. So the limiting friction is nothing but the maximum value of the static frictional force is called as a limiting frictional force. So the maximum value of the static frictional force. Okay, so the maximum static frictional force. So the body is moving, tense, ready. Okay, ready to move on surface. So that is called as a limiting frictional force. Got it? Now, so another is taken dynamic frictional force or kinetic frictional force. Okay, so the friction. So the friction is called as a oppose the force, the relative motion between two surfaces are contacted. The friction is the opposite force, the relative motion between the two surfaces are contacted. And so the friction is classified in the three types. That is called as a limiting friction or kinetic friction or dynamic friction. Dynamic friction. So what is the limiting friction? So the maximum value of the maximum value of the static frictional force. So the maximum value of the static frictional force is called as a limiting friction. Okay, limiting friction. So that is called as a FL we can write. Okay, so the kinetic friction or the dynamic friction or a dynamic friction. So that is called as a FK or FO. Okay, FK we can write. So that is called as a kinetic friction. So the kinetic friction means when the two bodies are so the contact to each other. So one body is sliding to the another body. So the force is opposing between the two contact bodies is called as a dynamic friction or kinetic friction. So the body is that is called as a sliding to another body. So one body is sliding to another body. Oppose the frictional forces between two bodies are contacted is called as a kinetic friction or dynamic friction. Got it? Now another is taken the rolling friction. So the rolling friction is nothing but so the one body is rolling to another body. Oppose the force between the two bodies are contacted is called as a rolling friction. Oppose the force. So when two bodies are contacted, so the frictional force is called as a rolling frictional force. so the kinetic or dynamic frictional force and limiting frictional force and rolling frictional force. Three types of the frictions are classified. Okay, got it. Now, so discuss the another topic. So that is what is the advantages and what is the disadvantages of the friction. So what is the advantages of the friction? Disadvantage of the friction. So advantage of the friction means, so for example, the chalk piece are hold, okay, hold the object or hold the fingers, okay, between due to the frictional force. Okay, so the book are opening due to the frictional force. So walking on a road due to the frictional force. Okay, so etc. The make so there is a striking into the ball. So that is also is called as a frictional due to the frictional force. So now etc. we discuss that is the many advantages of the frictional force. Okay, so the disadvantage is also including. Okay, so what is the disadvantages? So because so the machines, so the parts means damages. Okay, due to the frictional force. ఓకే అంటే మనకు ఆ భాగాలు అనేటువంటి పార్ట్స్ అనేటువంటి అరిగిపోతుంటాయి డ్యూ టు ద ఫ్రిక్షనల్ ఫోర్స్. ఓకే గాట్ ఇట్. అండ్ ఆల్సో ఇన్ ఎ మిషన్స్ ద ఫ్రిక్షనల్ ఫోర్స్ డ్యూ టు ద ఎఫిషియన్సీ ఆర్ పవర్ ఆఫ్ ది ఇంజన్ విల్ బి డిక్రీస్ డ్యూ టు ది ఫ్రిక్షనల్ ఫోర్స్. ఓకే అండ్ ఆల్సో హీట్ జనరేటింగ్ in a engines. So the many losses are in a disadvantages of a frictional force. Okay, now so the decreasing of the frictional force by using the four methods. So that is the one of the method is taken, that is called as a polishing. So the polishing means, so the one body is polishing very smoother. Okay, so due to the friction is decreasing, the frictional force will be decreased. And so another is taken, so lubricants. So lubricants means oil or grease, so etc. used. So due to the decreasing of the frictional force. Okay, and so then another one is taken ball bearings. Okay, so the ball bearings means so that is called as a steel bodies. Okay, steel spheres, just like. Okay, so the steel spheres are placed between the sliding body. This is called as a sliding body. So the sliding body between the rolling or ball bearings or the steel bodies is placed between the sliding bodies. So the sliding body is converting to the rolling due to the friction will be reduced. So this is called a sliding body. So sliding body is moving, the frictional force is more. The frictional force is decreasing. So that is means the steel bodies are the ball bearings are placed between the two contact in a surfaces. So the frictional force is decreasing. Okay. Now another is taken, already we know that is the streamlining. So streamlining is also best method using of decreasing of the friction. So that is the streamlining. Streamlining means so the automobiles, aeroplane, the special designed shaped curve. Okay, curve shaped. That means so the frictional, that is means the streamlined airflow friction force will be decreased due to the air. Okay, so that is also called as one of the method decreasing of the friction. So the four methods are using, that is called as polishing, ball bearings, lubricants and streamlining. Okay, so that is used to decreasing of the friction. Okay, next one, law of rolling frictions. Okay, law of a rolling friction. So that is called as a. So for example, so the body is conductive. Okay, so very less conductive. Very less conductive between them. The frictional force, the rolling frictional force is decreasing. Okay, is decreasing or is very less. Okay, so the body or the rolling body is contact to the surface. The rolling body is contact to the surface is less than the friction force is also less than. Okay, got it. And also the next one. So the large radius of the body. The large radius of the body. The large radius of the body, the contact between them, the frictional force is very less. Okay, the large radius consists of the body, so that body is very less than frictional force, rolling frictional. Okay, so now another is taken. So this is called as a Fr is equal to mu r n. That means so the frictional force Fr. So this is called as a normal reaction. Normal reaction. Okay, so here called as a Fr, rolling friction. Okay, Fr means rolling friction. N is means normal reaction. So the Fr is directly proportional N. That means Fr is directly proportional N. The frictional force, the frictional rolling frictional force is directly proportional to normal reaction. So the proportional can be neglected. Some constant of the taken, that is Fr is equal to mu r into n. Mu r into n. So this is called as a law of frictional force. Law of rolling friction, rolling bodies. Okay. So law of rolling friction. So that means so the contact is very less, the rolling friction is less. And large radius, so the rolling friction is less. And so the Fr is directly proportional to n. Normal reaction, depending on normal reaction. Okay, got it? Now, the land roller is placed on the surface, the pushing and pulling. Okay, so easy to, better purpose, better used. So the pushing or pulling is used. Okay, so the land roller is placed on a surface of the earth. Okay, this is called as a land roller. Now, here the land roller is placed, the weight of the land roller is mg, okay, or w. So the weight of the land roller is placed on surface of the earth, on surface of the earth. So the land roller is placed on surface of the earth, on surface of the planet or surface. Okay, the force here FB acting, so making angle theta with the horizontal. F is means the force is acting. The force is acting. The land roller is a, that is called as a pulling, not a pushing. Okay, so the pulling of the land roller. The first case, the pulling the land roller. FB the force is acting on the land roller. FB the force is acting on the land roller, and so the land roller is so the making angle theta with the horizontal. Okay, the force is divided in a two components, so a vertical component, a horizontal component, and this is called as a vertical component upward direction. that is called as F sin theta, and the horizontal component is taken F cos theta. The forces acting, that is that is means the forces is taken. So this is called as a normal reaction is acting in upward direction, and the F sin theta is also acting in upward direction. And so the mg is acting weight of the landular, weight of the object, so that acting vertically downwards. Okay, so the F is the force is making angle theta with the horizontal. Okay, got it. So the land roller is placed on surface of the earth. Okay, and so the F is the making angle theta with the horizontal, and F can be resolved into two rectangular components. So one is taken F cos theta, another is taken F sin theta. Okay, so here upward forces is taken, that is called as a normal reaction, and F sin theta, and the downward direction is taken weight of the object, that is the mg. Okay, got it. Now, so the normal reaction in upward force is equal, downward forces is taken, that is called as a n plus F cos theta. Okay, is equal to, we can write mg. So n is equal mg minus F cos theta, we can write. N is equal mg minus F cos theta. So the coefficient of rolling friction, so mu r is equal Fr into n. Mu r is equal Fr into n. So Fr is equal Fr into n is equal mg minus F cos theta. Okay, so that is called Fr mg minus F cos theta, and substitute, so we get mu r. Okay, so the mu r is equal, so mu r is equal Fr by n, or mu r is equal, coefficient of rolling friction is equal Fr into n is equal mg minus F cos theta. Okay, got it. So this is called as a, now is taken equation 1. Okay. Now, so another topic is taken. So that topic is so here taken F sin theta, but not F cos theta. F sin is taken. F sin theta. F sin theta, mu r is equal Fr into mg minus F sin theta. So now another case is taken, so that is called as a case 2. Okay, so pushing the land roller, pushing the land roller. Okay, so now in this case of the pushing the land roller, okay, so in this case of pushing the land roller, so the land roller is placed on the surface of the earth, and so the F is the force is acting, the land roller is pushing. Okay, the land roller is pushing. Okay, so the F is acting just like, so the F is the force making angle theta with the horizontal. So and so the F is resolving in two rectangular components, that is called as F cos theta and F sin theta. Okay, so the upward force is equal downward forces. So the upward forces is equal mg plus F sin theta. Okay now. So according to the definition of the coefficient of rolling friction, so mu r is equal Fr into n. So Fr into n is equal mg plus F sin theta. mg F sin theta. Okay, so from equation 1 and 2, so mu r is equal to Fr into mg minus f sin theta. In equation 2, Fr is equal to mg plus f sin theta. So comparing of these two equations to the pushing, okay, so the pulling is Vc2 compared to the pushing of the land roller. Okay, got it. So here the two comparing of the equations, to comparing of the two cases, so the pushing is that is nothing but here the pulling is easy to compare to the pushing. Okay, got it. Calculated the time needed for a net force of 5 newtons to change the velocity of a 10 kg mass by 2 meter per second. Okay, so here given that information, so calculate the time needed for a net force of 5 newtons to change the velocity of 10 kg mass by 2 meter per second. Velocity of 10 kg mass by 2 meter per second. Okay, so calculate the time needed. So the time needed means to find out the time, and the force is the 5 newtons. So the 5 newtons force is acting, and also the velocity. So the velocity, change in the velocity is means v minus u is equal to 2 meter per second, and so mass of the body is taken 10 kgs. Okay, so according to the Newton second law, F is equal to ma. So A is the acceleration by using the kinetic equation. So v minus u is equal at. A is equal to v minus u by t. Okay, got it. So the F is equal to m into v minus u by t. So the t is equal to m into v minus u by f. Okay, so m is equal to 10 kg. So that 10 into v minus u is means the change in a velocity, that is equal 2 meter per second by force. The force is given, that is equal to 5 newtons. So the 5 2 is 10, that is equal 4, time is equal 4 seconds. Okay, so the time is needed for 4 seconds of a body. Got it? So now today class is over, and tomorrow we discuss about the topic is what is the Newton's second law, and so the expression for F is equal to ma, and also some problems we discussed next class. Okay, thank you students.